Hey, when you feel overwhelmed with a lot of thoughts in your head or tired from your work or life or anything, just take a cup of tea with yourself. Don't try to escape your life. Just give yourself a break. Take a cup of tea, relax, and just enjoy your tea. Be present. Just drink tea without thoughts, without thinking. Just fill the cup. Fill the cup. Feel the warmth of the water in the cup. Relax. Smell it, how it smells. Be present. And here and now, relax with every sip of tea. Mmm, so good tea, so simple. It's not even a Lipton, just simple tea. But when you stay present, feel bliss of being alive with this cup of tea. Listen to the noises around you. If you have a balcony, go outside and watch a beautiful sky and drink some tea. It's a great meditation. You don't need to sit under the tree and making or something like this. You don't need to take medication for this, just to escape. Just enjoy a cup of tea for a few minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. Enjoy a cup of tea without gadgets, without phones, without social networks. Just you and a sip of tea. So good, so relaxing, and so simple. In China, they do these meditations with tea religiously, and they're absolutely right. Because it's not about religion, it's not about beliefs, it's just about relaxation and letting go. And after you let go, you can return to your tasks, to your projects, to everything that is bothering you. Cheers. Just relax with your cup of tea. I dropped a little bit of lemon there, and so good. Just a cup of tea, and you. Mm. Sometimes this is all you need for a good life. People run for money, for fame, all this good. But take a cup of tea and relax with it, and you feel like life is so beautiful and amazing can be in such moments. And you enjoy your life with each sip of tea. Mm. Maybe you will not do such things like because you are not on camera, but you know what I mean. Relax and do it in your way. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy a cup of tea. This was a tree meditation. The more senses you put in the thing that you are doing right now, the less anxiety, the less negative thoughts you will have, the more positive emotions you will have. And remember, those positive emotions will help you to achieve whatever want you dreams in your life. Because people go to be successful and they don't appreciate the power of being happy. Because when you are already happy, all the success in your life can come to you much more faster, much more easier, and in much enjoyable way. So, cheers to you. Enjoy a sip of tea. Really very good tea. I usually drink tea, cacao. I don't drink coffee, but this is so good tea with lemon. And outside is rain, and I can listen to the rain, how drops falling down from the sky, enjoy a sip of tea, and after that I can return to my projects and pursuits of my dreams. But you can take a tea meditation and just relax, and then pursue your dreams. But take time for yourself. So simple. You don't need anything for this. You don't need to go to the sea or to the ocean for this. You can do it in the comfort of your home. Easy. My name is Alex Zuzowski. I am a computer scientist, entrepreneur, and I create content that helps people like you, creators, entrepreneurs, and knowledge workers, with tools for better thinking and performance. If you like this video, subscribe, like, share with others, and also there are too few resources for you that you can download absolutely for free. Journaling for Personal Growth book that I wrote, and also Conquer Procrastination blueprint that you can download absolutely for free, and it will be delivered to your email. Thanks for watching, have a great tea, and I see you in the next time. Really so good tea.